Imagine being sucked into space by a hurricane. Cars floating around in space or air and surviving. At the hospital, the doctor takes a really good look at you. You considered obesity? Obesity? What about heart attacks and... Look, brother, we have to keep you on the planet first. You see, that's why Americans are so fat. It's self-defense. It's not greed. They're grounded. They're down to earth. It's no big surprise to me that the first person that went to space was someone who grew up in the hurricane area, because they were used to it. Everybody had a cousin who's been shot to space. The moon landing, it was such a huge technological leap forward that it introduced the human race to a new way to walk the earth. The moonwalk. But for the people in the hurricane area, it had nothing to do with space exploration. It was all about revenge. It was about going into space on our terms. We get to decide when, where, and who. So, while the rest of the world was watching the moon landing in awe, the people in the hurricane area, they were like, yeah, that's right. Show him what you got, man.